In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Yahoo customer service via the Yahoo Help Center. Whether you're having trouble with your account, need to reset your password, or are facing any security issues, reaching out to Yahoo's support team can help resolve your problems quickly. Let's walk through the steps to get you connected to the assistance you need. First, you'll want to open your browser and type in helpyahoo.com. This will take you to Yahoo's dedicated help website where you can access a variety of support options. The Yahoo Help Center is designed to guide users in resolving common issues, displaying a wealth of resources and frequently asked questions that might address your concerns even before needing to contact customer service directly. Once you're on the Yahoo Help page, look for and click on the Contact Us link. This link is typically conveniently placed, ensuring you don't spend too much time searching. Clicking this will open a new pop-up window, which is your next step in organizing your support request. In the pop-up that appears, you'll see a menu featuring various issues. Choose the one that closely matches the problem you're experiencing. Options usually include things like password reset, account recovery, or security issues. Selecting the right option ensures that your query is directed to the appropriate support team, facilitating a quicker response. Now that you've selected your issue, you'll be prompted to enter your Yahoo email ID. This step is crucial as it helps Yahoo support locate your account and understand how they can assist you best. Make sure you type your email ID accurately to avoid any delays in the support process. After entering your email ID, the next action is to click on Get Started. This will submit your request, and you should be guided through any additional questions or instructions specific to your chosen issue. It's at this point that Yahoo typically takes over to provide the specific help needed, whether through an automated system or directing you to a customer service representative. And there you have it. By following these clear steps, you'll confidently navigate the Yahoo Help Center to get the assistance you require. Remember, Yahoo's customer service is there to provide the help you deserve, so don't hesitate to contact them when you face any issues. Keep this process in mind and you'll be well prepared to handle any potential account issues in the future. Thank you for watching and I hope you found this guide useful.